The menstrual cycle is a natural, monthly process that occurs in the female body. It is a series of hormonal and physical changes that prepare the body for a possible pregnancy. The cycle is measured from the first day of one period to the first day of the next. Each cycle can vary in length, but the average is about 28 days. The menstrual phase is the first stage of the cycle. This is when you have your period. You may experience bleeding from the vagina. This is the body's way of shedding the lining of the uterus that was built up during the previous cycle. This lining was not needed because pregnancy did not occur. The menstrual phase usually lasts about 3 to 7 days. During this time you may experience cramps, bloating, and mood swings. These symptoms are caused by the hormones prostaglandins. These are chemicals that help the uterus contract and shed its lining. To manage discomfort during your period, you can try over-the-counter pain relievers, heating pads, and gentle exercise. If your symptoms are severe, talk to your doctor. The follicular phase starts on the first day of your period and lasts until ovulation. This phase is characterized by the growth of follicles in the ovaries. Follicles are small sacs that contain immature eggs. As the follicles grow, they release the hormone estrogen. Estrogen causes the lining of the uterus to thicken in preparation for a possible pregnancy. This thickening provides a nourishing environment for a fertilized egg to implant. As estrogen levels rise, you may notice increased energy levels and a more positive mood. Section 4. Ovulation, the release of an egg. Ovulation is the process where a mature egg is released from one of the ovaries. This typically occurs around day 14 of a 28-day cycle. During ovulation, the follicle ruptures and releases the egg into the fallopian tube. The egg then travels down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. If sperm is present, fertilization can occur. This is when the sperm and egg combine to form an embryo. You may notice a slight increase in your basal body temperature during ovulation. Section 5. The luteal phase, the body's preparation for pregnancy. The luteal phase is the final stage of the menstrual cycle. It begins after ovulation and lasts for about 14 days. During this phase, the ruptured follicle closes and forms a structure called the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum produces the hormone progesterone. Progesterone helps to further thicken the uterine lining and prepare it for a fertilized egg. If pregnancy occurs, the corpus luteum continues to produce progesterone, which is essential for maintaining the pregnancy. If pregnancy does not occur, the corpus luteum breaks down, progesterone levels drop, and the uterine lining is shed during menstruation. You might experience symptoms like bloating, tender breasts, and mood swings during the luteal phase. Understanding the different phases of your menstrual cycle can help you make informed decisions about your reproductive health. It can also help you identify any irregularities in your cycle and seek timely medical advice when needed.